Hello, welcome to my vlog, and I just want to thank everyone who have subscribed and supported my channel. And yes, if you haven't, please click on the subscribe button for you to be more updated on my future posts. So I just want to share to you my order is here. Okay, so I have ordered the Glamskin Manila Fit Letisha Velasco makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, so this is worth 1,500 at dalawa na po siya. So ito na po, bubuksan na po natin. Okay, here we go. Let me open it. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so when I saw na nandito na to siya, oh my gosh, it's kind of breathtaking, you know. Woo! Okay, so I'm really excited to tell you the truth. So here we go. Okay, so aside from this order, may mga order pa ako sa Glamskin Manila. So I would also love to share those to you, okay? Kapag nakuha ko na po siya. Okay, give me a second. So, this store po is napaka responsive, sweet, and yung customer talaga nila magiging masaya talaga kapag na-receive po yung mga order based on what I have observed. Finally, so dati sa mga vlogs ko lang to nakakita, but then now, it's finally here. Mayakay na talaga. So, I just want to thank the Father Almighty for giving me the strength. Okay, and lakas. So, I'm not gonna use this for myself only para gumanda or ganon, but there's also a purpose for this one. Wow! Okay, anyway. Okay, ito na po, dalawa. Dalawa pong kinuha ko. Ah! Oh my gosh! I can't hide the happiness that I'm feeling right now. And also, wow! Kasi every purchase mo, meron po silang free, you know? Okay, so you can see that, right? So sweet talaga nila. Yay! It's good to know that you got order now. Kindly rate our shop and click receive. Thanks. So, i-rate ko talaga to. Nakakahiya namang sirain, you know. Thank you. Your purchase means a lot to us. Well, to me as well. Okay, God bless you more, Glamskin Manila. Okay, so alam naman natin na napakasikat talaga ni Letisha and you know, okay, interesting po ng mga ginagawa ni Letisha and po siya sa lahat. So, ito ay ang okay. Ito ang brush. Ultra thin brush. Kasi sa ko, may binili din akong ito. Is pomade. So, 71 po siya kung wala pong wala pong stick or wala pong brush. However, if you will buy it with a brush, then it will gonna be 96 pesos. Wow, amazing. Okay, so ito po ang pomade nila. So, maybe soon, I will do a review of the products of Glamskin Manila in my vlog. Wow, maliit po siya. Yeah, so just do a separate video for this one. Okay? And my stickers pa. Follow your dreams. They know the ways. TikTok, follow us. Okay, I will follow you. And oh my gosh, this is the most stupid part of mine. Oh my goodness. I wanna cry, you know. So ito po yung glam. Kasi dalawa. May glam At saka, meron ding skin. Yung skin, mga ang every look po natin. Pero ito pong glam ko is pang ano, pang party. Yung makakapal na makeup. So, ayan. Ito po, may perma po ni Letisha. Letisha Velasco. I hope that you can see that. Okay. Baliktad nga lang siya. So, ito po yun. Ang ganda na ito. Okay. So, i-open na rin natin yung isa. Wow! May ano pa. May stickers. Okay. Pag-sample ng mga kulay. Wow, thank you, Glamskin Manila. I don't know what to say. Gosh! Alright. Wow. Anyway, thank you. So, soon, I'm gonna do a review po. Sa lahat ng mga purchase ko sa Glamskin Manila. So, hindi pa po muna ako magsaswatch. But, I'll just show you kung ano po ang laman and what you can expect if you will gonna order this one. Okay, so hindi pa natin nabubuksan. And here, meron din silang loyalty card. So, you will get something in every purchase. At wow, may brush pa sila ng Glamskin Manila. Napapansin ko lang, maganda po yung quality ng mga products nila. So, this is my loyalty card. Okay, so, punuin natin tong loyalty card and let's see what we can get. Oh, ito, may picture ni Letisha. Ito din. Wow, at may face mask pa. Wow, ang sweet talaga nila. Aside from that, meron mirror, syempre. Mirror, mirror, hanging on the wall, but you are not going to hang it. But of course, if you're gonna do your makeup, ito yung mirror. Wow, amazing! Thank you, Father Almighty. So now, the moment, the quality on what I think of the part. So, wanted to so my little saan buksan. Wow. Gosh. Cute. Oh, wow. I okay, so to search. So if you're gonna buy this one, this is for 810 only, pero may shipping. Okay, ito po yung lamp po. At saka, on what I have heard, pigmented po talaga ito. So, ito binili. And there's another one, skin. So, may siya. Idol din. And then, yun na nga. Sana naman natin. Oh, may pirma na naman dito. Ang sweet talaga nitong Glamskin. At saka, para ma-feel mo talaga na worth it po yung binabayad mo. Okay, so anyway, let me this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, ito na po yung skin. So, for your everyday makeup, oh my gosh, this is the first time I'm gonna open it. Oh. Ah! Okay, anyway, thank you so much to everyone who have watched. Okay, so yeah, I just finished my work and I'm so happy. Grabby. It's so grabby. Wow. Let me show you. Try it a bit. Oh my gosh. Oh, grabby talaga. Why I said grabby? Because Grabbii. Oh my goodness. I'm falling in love with this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you. And I'm gonna do some swatches soon. Goodbye. Subscribe.